Welcome back. You also have access to Microsoft Excel inside of Microsoft 365. You can enter Microsoft Excel, and like the other applications, you do have templates that you'll be able to use. You can click on More Templates, and you can start with a template if you want to use one of these pre-made uses for Excel. Otherwise, you can start with a blank notebook. Otherwise, you can start with a blank workbook, and Excel can be used. One of the things you'll notice in both Microsoft Excel as well as all of the Office applications is you're going to see an Open command. We can click on the Open command, and basically we can access files from our hard drive that are in the Excel format. Once you have your documents available, you'll have all of the menus that you would traditionally have inside of Microsoft Excel. And if you are an Excel user, you are familiar with formulas. All of the formulas in Microsoft 365 work in the very same way as they traditionally do in the Microsoft Excel desktop application. Now, without the paid version, you won't have all of the same features that you would in Microsoft Excel desktop version, but you do have enough to do all of the basic work associated with Microsoft Excel. Now, one of the things you'll note is that all of the documents that you use in Microsoft 365 can be downloaded to your hard drive. You're going to notice that when you go to the Save As command, you can save a copy to OneDrive. You can also download a copy to your personal computer. And so this is something that you'll want to be aware of if you want to be able to archive your content into a document format, or if you use the desktop version associated with a different email address. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.